Alright guys, let's do part 3. This recorder program is actually pretty good. I think I might actually pay for the real version if it's like $5. Okay. So the first thing we need to do for this one, of course, is start up that virtual machine. Oh yeah. The thing about doing this is it like practically never works. So what we actually have to do is go into your external, find that DBase 1100, find the actual VMX file. I think that's it. Where's this stupid? Oh, that's the folder itself. Yeah, that's it right there, VMX. So just double click on that. It should automatically open in what you want it to. Ugh, tell me I double clicked on that. Yeah, open with. There we go, finally. Hopefully I didn't do it twice. It appears to be in use. Okay. Cancel. Alright, so now we got our virtual machine here. I have 2 processors and 4 gigs of RAM put to it. That's a really good idea. Put as much into this as you can because, well, it's good. I copied it. This just says this, but that just virtual device IDE 1 to 0 will start disconnected. That's fine. I don't even know what would be connected that way. IDE, isn't that what like floppy disks used to be connected with? Anyways, Apple blah 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 blah. Oh yeah, so I guess it's gonna have my drive there. Just okay, whatever it says there. Alright, let's full screen this beast. I hope it's actually recording the VM. Should be. See why it wouldn't. Not do anything. Piece of junk. What? I swear I changed the desktop background on this bad boy. How come it never remembers that? Does remember that I put security essentials in here though. What? At risk? No. Turned off? No. Turn on. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. Thank goodness. Alright. So now we want to start SQL Developer. You're supposed to check if like 2 processes are running in the terminal, but I just trial by fire it, and if it doesn't work, if I can't connect to a user, I'll know that's it, and then I'll go connect. Because why do something but ain't. Alright, tip of the day, just shut that down. The awesome thing about this is it's like gonna show me my assignment right here. So what it starts you out with is this SQL worksheet. You basically go into the SQL worksheet and you put all this stuff in here, but you just change the name of your user. Just don't put Mark S, but everything else is the same. All the Mark S's must change. But I'm going to copy this out and put it in the Dropbox. So just change it to whatever. Change it to Mungo Jerry. But everything, you just basically put all this in here. I'll just do a brief description here, like this drops the user that's currently created in case there's a Mark S there, which there is, so that I can run new scripts and it will delete. And this cascade basically means it deletes everything associated with that user. When you want to create a new connection, here's how you do it. You click on that. First, you got to connect as Bill C, because he's a super user. All right, an error was encountered. All right, I know exactly what that error is. So I'm gonna see if I can Control-Alt-Delete this. And is this the VMs? No, it's not. So let's get out of there. That's the VMs. You have to first go to your task manager and then close that one, and then it opens this one. Alright, so the problem is, oh yeah, it's in services already. This was kind of a pain the other day. We need to get this one running. Listeners running, okay. This one needs to be running. So let's click services there in your task manager.
Avast virus database has been updated.
Thank you. Useless piece of junk program. Okay. Oracle Service XE. Right there. It says automatic, but apparently it's not. So let's click start. I actually did a bunch of troubleshooting on that error before I figured out that it was this. That's what happens when you don't pay attention. You sit on Facebook like an idiot. Okay, did that just finish? Yeah, status started. Try again. Let's close that out. Oh, I'm starting to load that note thing actually. Okay, so now let's try connecting as Bill C. Alright, we're good. Hello, I am Bill C. So now one of the things said you wanted to add a connection. So, well, first you would have to add a user. So let's suppose we could just, I wonder if we could do it in this SQ. I'm just going to modify my I'll go in this session here, and we're going to go create user Ace Ferguson, and let's go in here, create identified by Ace Ferguson. Identified by Ace Ferguson. Default table space users. Actually, I should just paste this right out. Control C. And then just go in here. Ace Ferguson. Alright, so this is like a few SQL statements, so you have to highlight them and then push this button right here next to the play, and then just hit that. Oh, or you could put 5. Okay, user, and then it tells you this stuff right here. User Ace Ferguson created, grant succeeded, grant succeeded. Okay, basically what I did here is I said grant connect to Ace Ferguson. So now he is able to make resource to. It means that he can make tables, he has a bubble or whatever, and he can connect to this database. So now we need to, now that he is able to connect, let's make a connection for him. I think that's like what that means. So to make a connection, you push that plus there. And our connection name, the naming convention that Bill follows is the name of the database, XE, as Ace Ferguson, username, Ace Ferguson, password, Ace Ferguson. We always do that as Ace_Ferguson. Save password, absolutely. Basic, yes. Oh, TNS. It didn't give me that option before. That's weird. Oh well. So everything's the same. For this localhost, you could actually put 127.0.0.1, the loopback protocol. And let's test that. Success. Let's go connect. So now, if we scroll down here, first we have to click connections, then refresh. There you are. As Ace Ferguson. Was that there before? I'm just blind. Okay. So let's go in there. And there's now we have now we're connected as Ace Ferguson, and in this little SQL session here, we are Ace Ferguson. If we want to make commands as Bill C, we go here. But if we want to do Ace Ferguson stuff, we go here. Alright? And I actually have no idea how to get to the design view, but I know that you use SQL in this to put values into the tables. That you'll probably have to do in the demo. Okay, so that's basically it. I'll throw up this SQL code up onto the Dubai's Dropbox, and then and then so you can just change it up a little bit. I think Katie probably put it up in as a comment already. You just change the name. That's it. Like everywhere where it says Mark S all throughout here, just change that to Mungo Jerry or whatever you're going to use. So yeah, that's pretty much that one. Now let's get out of here and no, let's not change anything there. And let's exit the screen. Always make sure you shut down your machine good. Alt tab. There we go. Nice. Okay. Let's get back to that screen record thing. Stop.